Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for accepting this video. Today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. Your website should be like a virtual cash machine. Nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So your website needs to be properly optimized so you can actually capture those leads and convert them into customers. So as you can see, we're on your website and you have a Google site, which is okay for your Google My Business page, but you actually need a real website with your own domain for your area. That's going to help you tremendously. In addition, you need to make sure that you have a separate page for every individual service that you have with its own original content and keywords. And let's see, is there anything on here? So you pretty much have a blank website. So Google needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage built around your local buyer intent keywords for each of your services. Your homepage should be like a mini summary about your business and your separate services that you offer. And then you should have a separate page for each service that you offer with its own content and its own unique keywords. A local buyer intent keywords, that's going to be the keywords people are actively searching in Google in your service area for your services. So water damage restoration, Salt Lake City. So you're going to need keywords like that throughout your website. You need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. Your homepage needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more, depending on what your competition has. Whatever your competitors are doing, you're going to need to do more of. And if you service outside of Salt Lake City, you need to have separate pages for every single city that you service that has any search volume. That way you can be found organically in each community for each of your services. Your top competitor for water damage restoration in your service area is AAA Restoration. Their website isn't fantastic, but they are doing a great job. They do have separate pages for all of their services. They are missing the boat on the service area pages, however. So they're missing out on a ton of potential customers that they could be having. They are focused on local keywords like Restoration Salt Lake. And they've got a ton more content than you guys do. So these guys are definitely beatable, but you do need to work on your content and keyword strategy. You need more content and more focused local keywords, different keywords on every page. And then you need your website supported with search engine optimization. A website without SEO is not going to be found online. So here we have your metrics. It's kind of misleading, these high scores. This is only because this rating is by Google and you have a Google site. These ratings generally are based on backlinks and referring domains, and you don't have any. So there is really no real trust from Google other than the fact that you have a business site. You're going to need a ton of backlinks and referring domains, but not all are created equal. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. A referring domain is any website that will provide you with a link to their website to your website. A backlink is the physical link coming from a referring domain to your website. So you get a 1-to-1 ratio. Anything other than that, Google considers spam. And you do need to make sure that they do follow links so that they share the power of the higher ranking sites and help you to rank. You will need more of these than your competition. Because you don't have any content, you have 0 keywords, and you have 0 traffic. So in order to capture that traffic, you need to build out those pages, work on your content and keywords, and then use your backlinks linking to your keywords to rank them. so you can be found for your services. If we look at your competitor, these guys have a rating of a 25 with over 2,000 backlinks and over 300 referring domains, but only 114 are do follow. So you only have to beat their 114 referring domains, both in quantity as well as quality, because not all are created equal. You need to make sure yours are authoritative and related to your industry. They've been indexed for 1,000 keywords, and they're getting over 340 people to their website per month without having service area pages. So it just shows you how much traffic you could be capturing and more if you optimize your website. And the last piece is this Google My Business section. I apologize, I had the wrong one up. So in this Google My Business section, you want to be in the top 3 for your service area and keywords, because 30% of people go straight here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed in the top 3, you send all of those leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but most important are citations. That's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and being listed in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp and Glassdoor. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.